Hey guys, it is me, Stace. For today's video, I thought we would try a recipe I seen on Pinterest. This is called Pecan Pie Bars. I will have the full recipe below and also the link where I got it from. The first thing you want to do for this recipe is make the crust, which is the shortbread. So in a bowl, you want to combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 cup of cold butter, and you want to have the butter cubed. And basically, you're just going to mix all those together until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs and kind of hold together. When that is done, you want to grease a 9x13 baking dish, which I have here. Then place that mixture in the bowl or in the dish. You want to press it down really well. I use the bottom of my measuring cup to press it in there really good. So you're going to bake this first at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. When that is done, we'll make the filling, which is the yummy part. So I'll see you guys when this is all done. Alrighty guys, we are back with our pecan pie bars. We're going to make the filling now. The crust has about 5 or so more minutes to go. So the first thing you want to do, in a bowl, you're going to add 4 eggs, and I'm just using large eggs. 1 cup of corn syrup. I did go ahead and spray my cup measure here. So 1 cup of corn syrup is going to go in. And then 3 tablespoons of melted butter, which I have here. And then 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1.5 cups of white sugar. We're going to whisk all that together. It'll be easy if you pop the yolks first. Alright, so just whisk this really good. I want to fold in our pecans. This smells really good. I guess it's just the butter and the vanilla I'm smelling. Alright, so we have that nicely mixed. Now we're going to fold in our 2.5 cups of chopped pecans. I chopped myself, and I did a coarse chop on those. Of course, it's a personal preference. If you don't like that many pecans, you can leave some out. It's actually a lot of pecans. And I'm only like a tad bit over. So when the shortbread, when the crust is done, you want to take it out of the oven and then immediately pour this on top of the hot shortbread. Then we're going to bake it for an additional 25 to 30 minutes until it is set and no longer jiggly. So that looks pretty good, right? Just pecans and butter. All right, I'm gonna let you guys go. When the shortbread comes out, I'll see you guys back here. All right guys, we are back with our pecan pie bars. Mine baked for a total of about 35 minutes. The recipe does say to make sure it's baked all the way through. You want to make sure the top does not jiggle, and if it does, bake a little bit longer. So I did check mine at the 25-minute mark, and the whole top was really jiggly. I put it back in, checked at 30 minutes, it was somewhat jiggly, so I went 35. So it's nice and set up here. There's a little jiggle to it, but we're gonna let it cool off, come back and taste it and see how we did. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Alright, we are back with our pecan pie bars. It is still, the pan is still hot. We're going to dig in. You guys know I'm very impatient, so we're going to go ahead and cut this and see how it is. It still looks and appears to be a tad bit gooey. I definitely did burn the sides. I'm going to take it off this rack. Okay. So I'd rather have it be overdone than underdone. Just going to be loosening up the sides here so I can get a piece of this out and you can see what it looks like. And pardon the dogs, the lawnmower man is outside. Or the lawn service, I guess. And that's what she is barking at. Alright, let me get a fork. And let's go ahead and cut a little piece out of here. Of course, the first piece doesn't really count because it's the first piece. Let me get a plate. So you guys can see. All right. It's definitely gooey. Okay, there's that. A little gooey. Let me get a clean fork. I think once it sets up better, it's still, like I said, it still is warm. The top is not really, it looks like it's crispy, but it's not really that crispy. I'm going to taste it. Now again, it's really hot here. It's hot. I think it's good. It's hard to taste it because it's hot, but you definitely taste the pecans. You definitely, I do like that tad bit of gooiness. I don't want it to be a bar, so you can see it is gooey, but I actually like that because it kind of contrasts with the top. Let me just taste the filling. I do think it's good though. Probably will definitely like it. It is good. I do like it, guys. So I really wouldn't change anything. Maybe just watch it when it's baking. Maybe, I don't know, cover the top with foil to where you don't get the burned edge on the side. Other than that, though, I think it's a good one. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys prefer like a pecan pie or a pecan bar. I really can pretty much take either one of them. But anyway, there you have it, a little Pinterest tried recipe. Again, I will have the full recipe listed below for you guys and also the link where I got it from, so you can give her all the credit. Any questions, guys, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.